Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Economics Time newspaper headline. So, first of all, Capital Modi leads BJP to record 7th Gujarat Poll Cup win. Next, won People's Trust due to schemes. PM. Next, Pratibha Shaku and Agnihotri in HP CM race. Next, Jindal Steel and Power acquires Monet Power of rupees 410 crore. Riaz offer one-time settlement deal for Isar Power Gujarat. Next, revised telecom draft to clear air on OTT DTH. Next, IBC and property rights help draw capital. Aries CEO. Next, Bharat pe suit SC Suman Growers other. Next, RIL Path India bid to develop rupees 1800 crore Bangalore Logistic Park. Then on page number 2 in that BJP wins over 85% seat in PM's state. Next, 6 key takeaways. Next, won people's trust due to schemes PM Modi. Next, Gujarat rejects politics of Rivadi uh, appeasement. Next, new Gujarat government to be sworn in on Monday. Next, Atom Mode Himachal Pradesh unit gives Congress talking point despite Gujarat collapse. Next, AAP bleeds Congress. Then on page number 3 in that Mumbai road to Pathole free. Next, Mumbai police began prelim inquiry into Uday's alleged disproportionate assets after a PIL. Then next on page number 4 in that Pratibha, Shukhu and Agnihotri in CM race. Next, Himachal win morale booster for Congress. Next, rebels pension issue drag down BJP in Himachal. Next, SC rapes government for remarks by senior person against collegium system. Next, three-way split in votes helps BJP sweep tribal seats in Gujarat. Next, SP wins Manipur, RLD, Khatiuli and BJP Rampur. Next, BJP wins over 27% seat with margin of over 50,000 votes. Next, BJP AAP deal for Delhi and Gujarat, says Sena wrote. Next, next on page number 5 in that travels and tourism all set to bloom in this holiday season. Next, media and entertainment beast to bounce back next fiscal. Next, inflation will wait on Indian phone market in 2023. Next, Air India release $400 million plan to renovate fleet. Next, macro tech promoters plan to raise rupees 3,500 crore. Next, Indigo plans 168 flights from Goa's new airport. Next, accounting and ESG advisory firm Unicos rises $12.5 million. Next, US regulator issues import alert on Sun Pharma's halal facility. Next, the body shop to double India biz by 2025 and next, SC rejects pleas to remove GST customs duty on drugs for spinal atrophy. Next, on page number 7 in that Amazon relooking experiment not shutting businesses Tiwari. Next, data bill draft draws on global experience. Next, more Indians may quiz up for US EB5 visas has take less of spread. Next, Delhi High Court issues summon in Bharat Pay suit against Grover's other. Next, HUL enters wellness space with Oziva Wellbeing Nutrition deal. Next, inflationary fears would not impact tech spends IBM Patel. Next, on page number 8 9 in that has Twitter takes center stage, Tesla share sees a sharp fall. Next, many opportunities in private credit for cause and real assets. Next, Ruzi's offer one-time settlement deal for Izar Power Gujarat. Next, trend to sell Unistore stake to Tata Digital. Next, Paytm board to consider share buyback. Next, surge in global commodity prices may push India INC margin to a decadal low. Next, M&P S&P 500 rebounds on tech boost. US weekly jobless claims rise. Then on page number 10, in that Dharmach crop list at 12% premium over IPO. Next, Landmark Cars IPO to open December 13. Next, equity assets of institutions soar on sustained fund flows. Aban's holding public issue to open December 12. Next, foreigners can own insurers preference share. Next, gold firms on softer dollar with focus on Fed's next move. Next, JSPL acquires Monet Power for rupees 410 crore at auction. Next, lender to SKS Power give bidder fourth deadline extension for due diligence. Next, Indian banks fear fallout of ESMA rift on markets, plan to move RBI. Next, multiplex operator set for blockbuster earnings in quarter in H2. Next, we are not fully invested, which is a big structural advantage. Arogyati. Then on page number 11, in that Foxconn recharges India unit with $500 million. Next, government infuses rupees 5,000 crore into SWAMIH Fund 1. Next, Bangalore tops Indian cities in job creation. Next, vote is more Vikas PM. Next, maturing forward contracts. Next, on page number 12, in that India could be the world's third or largest economy in the next decade. Its G20 leadership amidst challenge will be key. Next, ABG shipyard former chairman guaranteed bail. Next, telecom fin frauds up has more switch to 5G. Next, online grocery prices rise as brands slash discounts. Next, Starlight Tech top executive Rao quits. Next, employment rate up in November. Next, ADB loan for China Metro. Next, NSC phone tapping bail for Pandey. Then on page number 13, in that 100% WFH allowed for IT unit in Swiss. Next, Goyals ask industry to come up with India-centric indies. Next, RIL Path India bid to develop rupees 1800 crore Bangalore logistic park. Next, energy conservation. Next, skill India. Next, Bharat Mala. Next, need to tax agri low income. Tarun Bajaj. Next, first surety bond insurance launch on December 19. Gadkari. Next, room for Indian economy to move up the ladder. Kotak. Next, competition amendment bill gets House panel nude. Then on page number 14, it's an article section in that a rolling BJP gathers no moss. Next, China's carrot sticky for global economy. Next, DAL E2 over new go to Salvador Dali. Next, India's reorder its economy. Next, is something missing? Next, winter that can thaw that school. Next, helping economy banks customer. Next, dear banks so shall ye. Next, savoring the preparation. Then on page number 15, in that helping German companies find their foothold in India. Next, a crypto scammer and a $22 million ist. How to make running a daily habit. The next, on page number 21, in that RBI buys estimated $8 billion from market in week. Next, IFSC may bring in variable capital cost. Next, Blackstone now sole bidder for Care Hospital. Then on page number 22, in that China's COVID easing seen knocking growth next year. Next, Iran carries out first execution over protests. Next, Sunny Balwani gets 13-year jail. Next, Twitter may rise blue cost to $100 is to $11 for iPhone app user. Next, Europe to look for new buyers amid European 500 billion bond spree. Next, a first in 40 years, 1000 NYT staff on 24-hour strike. Next, EU court Google must delete inaccurate data. Next, Pentagon splits $9 billion contract among 4 consecutive. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.